Welcome to AP Workshops. Today we are going to be talking to you about casual clothing. So welcome back to AP Workshops and welcome back to our little section that we're going to do about casual clothing. So those of you that have been on our website will have noticed that we have got a new clothing section. So basically what we're not getting into is sort of like riding clothing. This is casual clothing. So this is something that you can have for Christmas presents, birthday presents, that kind of stuff. Or if you just fancy representing AP Workshops or just want some sort of good motorcycle based casual clothing, this is where we're going to start sort of building our this section from. So what we're talking about is we've got about 3 lines that we're dealing with at the moment. Obviously there's our own stuff, but we've also got RST clothing, the t-shirts there. This is the stuff that I've worn for quite a long time, truth be known. Basically it's really good quality, washes really well. So we've got one of these and we've got this kind of stuff going on as well. Like I said, really good quality, washes quite nice. All of this is available on here, so represented by the man himself, the Snox himself, as it goes. We've got hats, body warmers, like I said, warm bubble hats, socks, believe it or not. My God, they sell so well. It's unbelievable. Who would have thought it? But you know what? Absolutely no problems whatsoever. So we've got, what else have we got when we're looking around it? So like I said, socks, AP Workshops clothing. We've got the trusty, we've got 2 styles basically of, just, I don't know if you just noticed, but there's a quick change going on in the background. 2 styles of hat to keep your head warm.
I need it as well.
To keep your head warm over the winter. We've got what they call the roll type and we've got what's called the slouch type that is modelled really badly by Snox there as it goes. Whoa, easy. What we've got as well is hoodies, again, okay, the sort of hoodies that have got sort of like elasticated cuffs and bottoms. Again, they wash really well. Those of you that have been up the workshops will have seen that we wear these all the time. This is what we wear as our normal day-to-day clothing in the workshop. Hoodies, fleeces, winter style. This is the money right here, look. Right there. That's where it goes. That bit that keeps your neck warm, that's where I...
Yeah.
So when we ride bikes, that's it, get it up there, no problems. T-shirts, we've got these body warmers, which are just incredible. I mean, like, modelled again by our glamorous model as well. One other label that we've got, we are starting to represent a company called Moto Clothing that are selling motorcycle based casual clothing. This and stuff, and we're taking on at AP Workshops their Aprilia based products, so they're labelled up. So these t-shirts, best quality t-shirts that are that wash really well. Again, they're all based basically on an Aprilia style labelling on the back. Okay, so it's labelled inside, and I think is this ethically sourced cotton?
It is, yeah.
I'm a bit funny like that. I want that kind of thing in my world as it goes. So this is all that kind of good stuff that it goes on. But if you go and have a quick look, we've got the RSV, Tuono V4, RSV4. There's plenty more of those coming online because they basically just asked for suggestions on what else to do. So we're just smashing them in there. If you've got any suggestions on this kind of stuff that we can pass on, then please let us know. If you want to go and have a quick look, you can go and have a quick look on the website. If you go to www.apworkshops.co.uk, have a look in the clothing section, it's all there. If you want to get in touch with us, you can get in touch with us, sales@apworkshops.co.uk. We'll take the suggestions there, no problems. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for all your support. Winter's coming, wrap up warm, stay well, keep riding, that's how it works. If you like what you see on the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much. We'll talk to you soon.